What's up, YouTube? Today we get a knife I never used because I don't have any hair. It is the Urban Jack from the one and only GEC. Let's get to it. 1 second. I am gonna wax it. I really do like the color of this knife and the jigging. I also, as a collector, like the weirdness of the comb. It does completely stop me from using this, which is kind of a bummer because I like 15s a lot from GEC, but I don't have any hair, so I just can't do it. There's nothing for me to comb, you know, like. We're gonna look at the jigging here in a second. The jigging is nice. The fit and finish is very nice. And I know people do use this without using the comb, but for me, it just seems a little silly to use such a nice piece. A little bit of corrosion right there. I don't know if they all are bird eye pivots or not. I don't know. Well, that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye now. Oh yeah, here's the